In this lesson, we'll learn about the x and y-intercepts of a linear equation. Say we have the equation 4x plus y equals 20, which has the graph that we've drawn. The y-intercept of this equation is the place where the graph crosses the y-axis. Notice that this point will always have the x value of 0. And we can get the y value by plugging in x equals 0 into our equation. So we'll put in 0 for x, we'll have plus 5y equals 20. 4 times 0 is 0, so we'll just have 5y equals 20. When we divide both sides by 5, we'll get y equals 4. So the y value of the y-intercept is 4. So this point, 0, 4, is what is known as the y-intercept. Now the x-intercept is the place where the graph crosses the x-axis. Notice that this point will always have the y value of 0. And we can find the x value by plugging in 0 for y into our equation. So we'll get 4x plus 5 times 0 equals 20. Thus we have 4x equals 20, and when we divide by 4 we get x equals 5. So the x value of the x-intercept is 5. Let's review what we've done so far. We can find the y-intercept by plugging in 0 for x and then solving for y. And we can find the x-intercept by plugging in 0 for y and then solving for x. And once we have both of those points, we can graph the equation by drawing the line that goes through both of them. Let's look at another equation. This time, we'll find the x and the y-intercepts before looking at the graph. First of all, let's find the y-intercept. Remember that to find the y-intercept, we want to plug in 0 for x, so let's do that. We have 7 times 0 plus 1 half y equals negative 4. That leaves us with 1 half y equals negative 4. And after multiplying both sides by 2, we'll get y equals negative 8. Now let's find the x-intercept. Remember, we'll find this by setting y equal to 0. So we'll have 7x plus 1 half times 0 equals negative 4. That leaves us with 7x equals negative 4. After dividing both sides by 7, we'll have x equals negative 4 sevenths, which is approximately negative 0.6. Now let's graph these two intercepts. Now the y-intercept was 0, negative 8, so we won't go to the left or to the right, but we'll go down 8. So we have the point 0, negative 8 as our y-intercept. For the x-intercept, we have negative 4 sevenths, 0. The negative 4 sevenths means we'll go about negative 0.6 to the left. We don't go up or down because the y value is 0, so this is the point negative 4 sevenths, 0. And we can graph this equation just by drawing the line that goes through those 2 points. If this video has helped you, please like it. Then other people who also need help will be able to find this video in the YouTube search more easily. You can subscribe by clicking on the icon in the upper right-hand corner.